examination questions. Another question, JL, DL, PG entrance examination. JL, DL, PG entrance examination. Previous question, sir. What is the question? Question is very clear, sir. Question is very clear. Question is, it is W plus Y plus Z into dou W by dou X plus W plus X plus Z into dou W by dou Y plus W plus X plus Y into dou W by dou Z is equal to X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z, sir. Options, sir. Option A. For example, we can take the option A, sir. Option A. It is also net examination question previous. It is the option A. Phi of W minus X into small u, comma, W minus Y into small u, comma, W minus Z into small u is equal to 0, where u is equal, it is the X plus Y plus Z plus W whole power 1 by 3. Whole power 1 by 3. Option B. Phi of, it is the W plus X into u, comma, W plus Y into u, comma, W plus Z into u is equal to 0, where u is the same, sir. So option C. Phi of X minus W into u, comma, Y plus W into u, comma, W minus Z into u is equal to 0, where u is the same, sir. Option D is the none, sir. Option D is the none. This is the previous examination question, sir. Very simple and very easy, sir. What is the given question, sir? Here that we know that given question is, it is very clear, sir. W in plus Y plus Z into dou Z by dou W by dou X plus W plus X plus Z into dou W by dou Y plus W plus X plus Z into X plus Y, sir. X plus Y into, it is the dou W by dou Z. It is equal to X plus Y plus Z, sir. X plus Y plus Z. We know that. What is the form, sir? We know that pp+qq is equal to R. What is the P, sir? P into, it is the dou Z by dou X plus Q into dou Z by dou Y. It is R into dou Z by dou Z. So it is dou Z by dou Z got value 1. But it is nothing but dx by capital P and dy by capital Q. It is the dz by capital R. But given equation in the form of here observation just the dx by, it is y plus w plus z and dy by w plus x plus z, because y drishya partial derivative got. Ikkada z drishya partial derivative got. It is the dz by w plus x plus y. Ikkada z drishya partial derivative, because it is into dou w by dou w. W drishya kabatti it is the dw by, it is x plus y plus z, sir. It is the concept. It is the concept. Very clear, sir. Given question is very clear. So each fraction, for example, we can apply these two fractions. It is the nothing but dw by dx. Because sir, dw by dx. Renditni minus cheyandi. It is equal to, each fraction is equal to dw minus dx. Cheste manaki em egiripotundi sir? Y plus z పోతుంది మనకి. It is the x minus w అనేది మిగులుతుంది. Next dw minus dy చేయండి సార్. So మనకి x plus y, x plus z పోతుంది. It is y minus w మిగులుతుంది సార్. Next dw minus dz చేయండి సార్. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే z minus w మిగులుతుంది సార్. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ప్లస్ చేయండి సార్. అన్నిటిని ప్లస్ చేయండి. అంటే it is dx plus dy plus dz plus dw చేయండి సార్. అన్ని 3 times రిపీటెడ్ అవుతాయి సార్. సో కాబట్టి 3 into x plus y plus z అని వస్తుంది సార్ మనకి. x plus y plus z plus w అన్ని కూడా 3 times repeated అవుతాయి. x 3 times repeated, y 3 times repeated, z 3 times repeated. కాబట్టి 3 into x plus y plus z, sir. We can take any two fractions, sir. We can take any two fraction. For example, we can take these two fractions. These two fractions, it can be written as minus 1 upon, it is the minus 1 upon w minus x into d common తీస్తే it is the w minus x is equal to minus 1 upon w minus y minus denominator common, d is the common numerator, it is w minus y. So both are equal, minus minus cancel, integrating on both sides, it is the logarithm of w minus x is equal to minus logarithm of w minus y is equal to log c, sir. Log c. What is the answer, sir? These two fractions equal. For example, these two fractions are equal. What is the answer, sir? It is nothing but logarithm of w minus x by w minus y is equal to c1, sir. Where is the option, sir? This is not a solution because students, sir, every option contains, this is not a solution. మనకి ఏం రావాలి, x ప్లస్ y ప్లస్ z రావాలి ఎవ్రీ ఆప్షన్ లోపల. రావాలంటే కరెక్ట్ గా మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, సార్? ఆప్షన్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆప్షన్ అంటే ఫ్రాక్షన్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫ్రాక్షన్ 3 4th తీసుకోండి, సార్. తీసుకుంటే మనకు వస్తుంది. మైనస్ కామన్ తీయండి, it is w minus x into d common, it is the w minus x. It is nothing but 1 upon, it is 3 into x plus y plus z plus w, numerator is the d common, it is x plus y plus w plus z. So integrating on both sides, sir, it is integrating on both sides, it is minus logarithm of w minus x plus is equal, it is equal, 1 minute, sir, it is equal, it is equal 1 by 3 into logarithm of x plus y plus z plus w. ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ log c ఎక్కడనో అక్కడ యాడ్ చేసుకోండి, సార్. ఇక్కడ log c యాడ్ చేసుకుందాం, ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ log c is equal logarithm of w minus x plus logarithm of x plus y plus z plus w whole power 1 by 3. So finally it is log c is equal w logarithm of w minus x into x plus y plus z plus w whole power 1 by 3. Finally c1 is equal w minus x, it is x plus y plus z plus w whole power 1 by 3. It is nothing but w minus x into small u, sir. It is the c1. It is the c1 where u is equal to, we know that x plus y plus z plus w whole to the power of 1 by 3. Similarly, ఇదే విధంగా మీరు ఇంకో 2 ఫ్రాక్షన్, సెకండ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్, ఫోర్త్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ తీసుకుంటే c2 is equal to w minus y into u అని వస్తుంది, సార్. సో c3 is equal to w minus z into u అని వస్తుంది, సార్. సో ఫైనల్లీ phi of the c1, c2, c3, sir. Phi of c1 it is the w minus x into u, comma w minus y into u, comma w minus z into u is equal to 0, where u is equal x plus y plus z plus w whole power 1 by 3. It is the required general solution. It is required the complete integral. Where is the options are here there? Where is the option? Option 1 is the right answer. Is it clear, sir? Option A is the right answer. It is the simple and easy way of question, sir. It is simple and easy method, sir. In the previous examination, so many times asked this question. So many times asked this question. What is the question? JL, DL, PG entrance examination, sir. What is the question? Question is very simple, sir. It is x square minus yz into p plus y square minus zx into q. It is equal to z square minus xy, sir. For example, option A. Option A is that. Option A is very simple. It is phi of option A, sir. Very simple. What is the option here there? Option A is nothing but x minus y by y minus z is equal to phi of y minus z by z minus x, sir. So option B, x plus y by y plus z is equal to phi of y minus x by z minus x, sir. Option C, x minus y by y minus z is equal to phi of y plus z by z plus x, sir. Option D, it is x plus y plus z is equal to phi of y by x. Phi of y by x. Another form of this question given written as, it is the dx by x square by yz. It is the dy by y square minus zx, and dz by, it is z square minus xy. Where options are xy, x minus y minus z is equal to c1, and y minus z by z minus x is the c2. Option B, it is x plus y by y plus z is equal to c1, and y minus z by z minus x is the c2. Option C, x minus y by y minus z is equal to c1, comma y plus z by z plus x is equal to c2. And option D, x plus y plus z is equal to c1, comma y by x is equal to c2. These are the options given any type question, sir. What is the given question, sir? We can observe the given question. Given question, x square minus yz into small p plus y square minus zx into small q is equal to z square minus xy, sir, which is in the form of pp plus qq is equal to r, sir. So therefore, it is the dx by capital P, it is the dy by capital Q, dz by capital R, sir. This is the. So finally, it is can be written as dx by x square minus yz is equal to dy by y square minus zx is equal to dz by z square minus xy. Z square minus xy. We can observe the options. Sir. What is the option? This type of questions can be written as, it is the y by x minus y by y minus z, phi of y minus z by z minus x. ఇలా ఉన్నాయి మనకు ఆప్షన్స్. అంటే బైలో వచ్చాయి. నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి సార్. We can utilize the first two options subtraction. For example, subtraction చేస్తే చూడండి సార్, it is the dx minus dy by, for example, చేస్తే మనకేమొస్తుంది సార్, it is nothing but x square minus yz minus y square plus zx minus y square plus zx అని వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ it is equal to dy minus dz is equal y square minus zx minus z square plus xy. It is equal to dz minus dx. So dz minus dx. What is the dz minus dx? It is z square minus xy minus x square plus yz plus x square yz. These are the given. We require the option. Fractions. First fraction. What is the first fraction, sir? Here there, new fraction. What is the first fraction? So numerator is the xy, d is the common, denominator is the 1 upon x square minus y square. Here that, sir, x square minus y square minus z is the common, it is the y minus x into d of x minus y is equal to 1 upon y square minus z square. Here that minus x is the common, it is the z minus y into d of y minus z is equal to 1 upon, here that z square minus x square minus y is the common, it is x minus, it is minus y is common, plus y is common, for example plus y is common, it is z minus x, it is a d of z minus x. We can utilize these two fractions. So for example, numerator denominator we can observe that, sir. What is the observe? For example, 1 upon x square minus y square minus y into y minus z into y minus x is equal to 1 upon x minus y into x plus y minus z into y minus x. Y minus x is the common. What is the x minus y is the common? So x minus y is the common. it is x plus y, it is minus is common plus z. Plus z and x minus y into x plus y plus z. So this fraction can be written as x minus y into x plus y plus z into d of x minus y is equal to this fraction. It is can be written as y minus z into x plus y plus z into d of y minus z. This fraction can be written as z minus x into x plus y plus z into d of z minus x. d of z minus x. We can take first two fractions. We utilize here, sir. What is the utilize? X plus y plus z is the cancel. It is 1 by x minus y into d of x minus y is equal to 1 by y minus z into d of y minus z. Integrating on both sides. So here that logarithm of x minus y minus logarithm of y minus z is equal to log c, sir. Log a minus log b, log a by b, it is nothing but x minus y by y minus z is equal to c1, or y minus z by x minus y is equal to c1. There is any option, sir. Here that x minus y by y minus z. Ekkada sir, x minus y by y minus z ekkada sir. So option C and option A contain, remaining options are the cancel. So option D is the cancel. So option A contain x minus y by y minus z. Option C is also contain x minus y by y minus z. So another yz and zx కి సంబంధించినటువంటిది ఉంది సార్. yz zx కి సంబంధించినటువంటి రిలేషన్ ఏంటి సార్? yz zx. We can utilize these two fractions. For example, these two fractions are equal. Then required 1 minus y minus z into d of y minus z is equal to 1 minus z minus x into d of z minus x. Integrating on both sides, it is the logarithm y minus z minus logarithm z minus x is equal to log c2. It is nothing but y minus z by z minus x is equal to c2. Where is the y minus z by z minus x, sir? Where is the option, sir? Y minus z by z minus x, sir, in the option A. Option A contain y minus z, z minus x. So finally option A is the right answer. Is it clear, sir? Is it clear? This question is clear. So finally answer is the can be written as phi of u. It is can be written as, for example, this is the u. This is the u is equal, for example, this is the v. It is finally answer phi of u comma v is equal to 0, or u is equal to phi of v, or v is equal to phi of u. Anything, sir, any given form, sir, any form lo undochu manaki ichina form lo. So this is the previous question. Another previous question in the previous examination, very clearly, JL DL PG entrance examination, sir. JL DL PG entrance examination and gate set net questions kuda, it is also net, sir, in the previous examination. What is the question? Solve z into, it is the y square into p minus x square into q is equal to x square y, sir. X square y. Option A, sir. Option A. It is nothing but x cube plus y cube is equal to phi of x square plus y square. Option B, sir. It is the x cube plus y cube is equal to phi of y square plus z square, sir. Option C, sir. X cube plus y cube is equal to phi of y square minus z square, sir. Option D, sir. X cube plus y cube is equal to phi of z square minus y square, sir. Z square minus y square. These are the given options, sir. These are the given options. Very simple, very easy question, sir. A given question, it can be written as, what is the, sir, here there? Z into y square p minus z into x square q is equal to x square y, sir, which is in the form of pp+qq by r, sir. It is nothing but dx by z into y square. It is a dy by minus z into x square and dz by x square into y, sir. We can take the first two fractions. For example, we can take the first two fractions. dx by z y square is equal to dy by minus zx square. Z cancel. So finally x square into dx plus y square into dy is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides. Finally x cube plus y cube is equal to c1. There is no use of this solution because every solution contain x cube plus y cube. There is no use. There is no use. Another, for example, another two fractions are equal. For example, dy by minus z into x square, it is equal to dz by x square into y. For example, x square here cancel. Remaining term y dy plus z dz is equal to 0, sir. Integrating on both sides. So it is nothing but y square plus z square is equal to c2. Where is the y square plus z square, sir? It is final answer is y square plus z square is equal to phi of x cube plus y cube. Or it is the x cube plus y cube is equal to phi of y square plus z square. Or it is the phi of x cube plus y cube comma y square plus z square. ఏ ఫామ్ లోనైనా ఉండొచ్చు సార్ ఆన్సర్, కానీ మనకి ఈ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది ఆప్షన్. సో ఏముంది సార్, ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ వై క్యూబ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫైవ్ ఆఫ్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్. ఆప్షన్ బి ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఆప్షన్ బి ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. సో another question in the previous examination question. Another question. What is the question? JL DL PG entrance examination question, sir. What is the question? It is the x plus y square into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y is equal to z plus x square, sir. Or it is the x plus y square into small p plus y into small q is equal to z plus x square, sir. Given options. Option A, sir. Option A is nothing but phi of it is x minus y square by y comma z by y minus 1 by 3 x cube by y cube is equal to 0. Option B, phi of x minus y square by y z by y plus 1 by 3 x cube y cube is equal to 0. Option C, phi of x plus y square by y comma z by y minus 1 by 3 x cube y cube is equal to 0. Option D. Option D, phi of x plus y plus z comma x minus y by y minus z is equal to 0. These are the options. These are the options. Given question in the form of pp+qq. So it is nothing but dx by x plus y square is equal to dy by y is equal to dz by z plus x square. Z plus x square. It is the given question. It is the given question. How to solve this question? How to solve this question? So this question can be written as we can take the first two fractions, sir. We can take first two fractions. Important question. It is take first two fractions, sir. So it is nothing but dx by x plus y square is equal to d by y. So another two fractions, dy by y is equal to dz by z plus x square. So we can take first two fractions solve, sir. It is nothing but it can be written as dx by dy. It is x plus y square by y, sir. It is nothing but dx by dy. Dx plus dy is equal to minus 1 by y into x is equal to it is y. It is the linear form, sir. What is the integrating factor? It is integrating factor e to the power of integration minus 1 by y into dy. It is nothing but e to the power of log y universe. It is nothing but y universe is the integrating factor. General solution x into integrating factor and is equal to integration q ante y, integrating factor y universe into independent variable dy plus c. So y universe cancel, x by y is equal to integration dy is nothing but integration 1 dy plus c, sir. It is nothing but it is the x by y is equal to y plus c, sir. So it is nothing but x by y minus y is equal to c, sir. X by y minus what is the LCM, sir? Y. X minus y square by y is equal to c, sir, which is required the first solution. X minus y square by y, sir. Where is the option? Option C, option D does not contain x minus y square by y. Only option A, option B is the contain x minus y square by y solution. So therefore option C, option D, elimination. Elimination. Another option, sir. For example, we can utilize the second two fractions. Solve the second two fractions. What is the second two fractions here there? We can observe the second two fractions. What is the second two fractions, sir, here there? It is the dz by, here that, sir. It is the dz by dy. It is nothing but z plus x square by y, sir. It is nothing but dz by dy. Dz by dy is equal to dz by dy is equal to z plus what is the x value, sir? Here in the solution number 1, this solution if and only if here that the solution nunchi manam x is equal to ఏమని రాయొచ్చు, sir? y square plus cy అని రాయొచ్చు. ఇది సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయండి, సార్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్టార్ అనుకోండి, దీన్ని స్టార్ అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయండి. సిన్స్ బై స్టార్ it is nothing but x square ante it is x square ante y square into y plus c1 whole square by y అని రాయొచ్చు. సో ఫైనల్లీ it is z plus ఇక్కడ చూడండి సార్ దీన్ని ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు, సార్? ఇట్స్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ చాలా జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, సార్. సో ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తున్నాం, సార్. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో కూడా మనకి క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్పారు, సార్. లెక్చరర్స్ మనకి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో కూడా ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్పరు. సో అన్ని డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం, సార్. ఎన్ని డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే అంత నాలెడ్జ్ అనేటువంటిది గెయిన్ అవుతుంది, సార్. ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో మీరు ఈజీగా క్వశ్చన్స్ క్రాక్ చేస్తారు, సార్. ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో సింపుల్ గా క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేటువంటివి మీరు క్రాక్ చేయగలుగుతారు, లేకపోతే చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడతారు, సార్. ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో ఇబ్బంది పడతారు, సార్. చాలా ఈజీ, చాలా సింపుల్, సార్. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి, సార్. అంటే ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో వచ్చినటువంటి సొల్యూషన్ ని మనం సెకండ్ దాంట్లో యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకునే రకంగా కూడా మనకి ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాడు. అది మర్చిపోకూడదు. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే సో వెరీ సింపుల్ గా మనం ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో వచ్చినటువంటి సొల్యూషన్ ఏంటి, సార్? ఎక్స్ బై వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వై ప్లస్ c1 వచ్చింది, సార్. సో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మనం ఏమని రాయొచ్చు, సార్? y into y plus c1 అంటే x స్క్వేర్ అంటే y స్క్వేర్ into y plus c1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అని రాయొచ్చు, సార్. రాశాను. బై y అని ఉంది, సో బై y రాశాను. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద dz by dy ప్లస్ మైనస్ 1 by y into z, సార్, is equal to y cancel. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ y into y plus c1 whole square. y plus c1 whole square. This is the linear form lo undi, sir. It is the independent variable is the y. So kabatti integrating factor is the what is the integrating factor, sir? Here there what is the integrating factor? What is the integrating factor, sir? Tell me anyone what is the integrating factor? It is the linear or not?
Non-linear.
Observe what is the independent variable, madam? What is the independent variable here there?
Z.
That is independent variable. Observe that. Once observe that, madam. It is the first order, first degree linear equation form. First order, first degree linear form లో రాయగలిగామా మనం? ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి. అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి మేడం. ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ లీనియర్ ఫామ్ లో రాయగలిగామా? ఎనీథింగ్? చూడండి, అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ ఇది ఫామ్ ఉందా చూడండి. మీరు అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి సార్, మీరు అప్పుడే వస్తుంది మీకు సబ్జెక్ట్, లేకపోతే రాదు. ఇక చూడండి ఈ ఫామ్ అలా రాయగలిగాను నేను, చూడండి ఇలా రాశాను చూడండి. సింపుల్ గా చూడండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద dz by dy, ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్ ఈస్ ద y, ప్లస్ p ఆఫ్ y ఇంటూ z is equal to q ఆఫ్ y. ఆ ఫామ్ లో రాయగలిగామా లేదా చూడండి, రాసామా లేదా? సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద p సార్ హియర్ దేర్? -1 by y. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్? e to the power of p dy, integration. It is the integrating factor. It is nothing but e to the power of integration -1 by y dy. It is nothing but e to the power of log y universe, log. So it is nothing but y universe is the integrating factor. What is the solution, sir? It is z into integrating factor. Integrating factor enti sir ikkada? Z into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor. Independent variable is the y, dy plus c. So z into integrating factor is the y universe is equal to integration q is the, what is the q sir here there? Comparison the q. Q is nothing but y into y plus 1. It is nothing but y into y plus c1 into y universe is the integrating factor plus c. So y universe, y is the cancel. So z by y is equal to integrating of y is nothing but y square by 2. C1 is nothing but c1 into y plus c, sir, plus c. What is the c1, sir? What is the c1 value? You know the c1 value. What is the c value, sir?
X by
X
y
is
minus
equal to y into y plus c1. So what is the c1 here there? X by y minus y is equal to c1. So it is the c1 is equal to x minus y square by y. Substitution this value here there. Z by y is equal to y square by 2 plus y into x minus y square by y plus c2. This is the c2 అనుకోండి సార్. సో ఇక్కడ y cancel. Remaining term is the, what is the term sir here there? Z by y is equal to y square by 2 plus x minus y square plus c2. It is nothing but minus y square by 2 plus x. It is the z by y plus c2 plus c2. So here that, అంతేనా సార్? అంతేనా? లేదా మనం దీన్ని ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ని. ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూడండి సార్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఆ ఆన్సర్ అలా లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూడండి సార్ ఇలా రాస్తున్నాను. మనకు వచ్చింది ఏంటి ఫైనల్ గా ఇక్కడ మనకు? సో z by y is equal ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ y plus c1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మిగిలింది మనకు ఇంటూ dy ప్లస్ c2. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే చూడండి సార్, z by y is equal to y plus c1 whole cube by 3 plus c2. What is the c1? C1 value is substitution here there. Z by y is equal 1 by 3 y plus x minus y square by y whole cube plus c2. So finally z by y is equal to, ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే మీకు మిగిలేది 1 by 3 into x by y whole cube plus c2. It is z by y minus 1 by 3. It is x cube by y cube is equal to c2, which is required the second solution. Where is the second solution, sir? That is the second solution in the option A. So option A is the right answer. Is it clear, sir? Is it clear? Any doubt this problem? According to this problem, any doubt? Any doubt, sir, according to this problem? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? Is it clear, Andy? Another problem. In the previous examination, some 4-5 problems, sir. This chapter is the closed. Just wait for the 4-5 problems. So what is the question here there? Yq minus xp is equal to z, sir. Option A, sir. Option A, y by z is equal to phi of xy. Option B, sir, x by y is equal to phi of yz. Option C, sir, x plus y is equal to phi of x by y. Option D, sir. X minus y is equal to phi of yz, sir. These are the options. Given question in the form of pp+qq, here that, sir, minus x into p plus y into q is equal to z. It is nothing but dx by minus x. It is dy by y. It is dz by z, sir. It is nothing but we can take the first two fractions. Here integrating on both sides. It is log x plus log y is equal to log c. So it is nothing but xy is equal to c1. Where is the xy, sir? Xy contained in the option 1. So option A is the right answer. Another way, yz. We can take the second two fractions, sir. So second two fractions dy by y. It is the dz by z. Integrating on both sides, log y minus log z is equal to log c2. It is nothing but y by z is equal to c2, sir. Where is the y by z, sir? Option A contain y by z. So therefore, right answer is option A. Very good, sir. Very good. ఇదే కావాలి సార్, మీ నుంచి కోరుకున్నదే ఇది సార్, మీ నుంచి కోరుకున్నదే ఇది. Another question, sir. In the previous examination, another question. It is another question, sir. JL, DL, PG entrance examination question, sir. It is the dx by 1 plus x. It is equal to dy by 1 plus y. It is equal to dz by z, sir. Option A, sir. Option A. What is the option A? It is the x plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to c1. It is z by y is equal to c2. Option B, sir. X plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to c1, comma, it is nothing but 1 plus y by z is equal to c2. Option C, sir. X minus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to c1. It is 1 plus y by z is equal to c2, sir. Option D is the none, sir. Option D is the none. So this question can be written as, we can take first two fractions, sir. What is the two fractions? It is dy by 1 plus y. We can take first two fractions and another two fractions. Dy by 1 plus y is equal to dz by z, sir. Integrating on both sides. So it is 1 by 1 plus x into dx is equal to integration 1 by 1 plus y into dy. So it is logarithm of 1 plus x minus logarithm of 1 plus y. Very good, sir. Log c. It is finally 1 plus x by 1 plus y is equal to c1, which is required first solution. 1 plus x by 1 plus y does not contain option C. So option C is the wrong option. And another, integrating on both sides. Very good, sir. 1 plus y dy is equal to integration 1 by z dz, sir. It is logarithm of 1 plus y is equal to log z plus log c2. So finally 1 plus y by z is equal to c2. 1 plus y by it is option B is the right answer. Very good. ఇంతే అండి, సింపుల్, మీకు సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయండి, అంతకు మించి వేరేది ఏమీ లేదండి. సో మీరు ఫస్ట్ సాల్వ్ చేయడం నేర్చుకుంటే ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అన్నీ కూడా ఫాస్ట్ గా అయిపోతాయి, సార్. ఐదర్ క్వశ్చన్, సార్, ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ JL, DL, PG entrance examination, another question. What is the another question? Very simple and very easy. It is the dx by x square plus 2y square. It is equal to minus dy by xy. It is equal to dz by xz, sir. Option A. Yz is equal to c1 and zx y power 4 plus yz y square is equal to c2. Option B. Yz is equal to c1, comma, zy square plus y power 4 is equal to c2. And option C. Y minus z is equal to c1. Zy square minus y power 4 is equal to c2. Option D is the none, sir. These are the options. We can take the first two fractions. So for example, we can take the first two fractions. What is the first two fractions? Or we can take the last two fractions. These two fractions solvable is the easy. So it is nothing but dy by minus xy is equal to dz by xz. So here that x cancel. So remaining term is it is nothing but integration 1 by y dy plus integration 1 by z dz is equal to log c. So finally it is the log yz is equal to c1 log c1. It is yz is equal to c1 is the one of the solution. Where is the yz, sir? Option A, option B contain yz. Option C is the wrong option. So another options, sir. Another options. What is the first and second? We take the first and second. What is the first, sir, here there? What is the first fraction here there? Dx by x square plus 2y square. It is minus dy by xy. For example, it is the dx by dy can be written as dx by dy is equal to x square plus 2y square by xy. It is nothing but minus of x by y. It is minus of x by y minus 2 by x, sir. 2 by x. It can be written as it is a dx by y plus 1 by y into x is equal to minus 2 by y x, sir. Here that we can observe that, sir. Here we can observe that, sir. It is the x is the extra undi, sir. X extra undi. So మీరు ఏం చేయండి సార్ 2x తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయండి సార్ 2x తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే క్వశ్చన్ ని 2x into dx by dy plus 2 into here that, sir, 2 into y by x square is equal to minus 4y, sir. Let for example z is equal to x square అనుకోండి సార్. It is dz is equal to 2x into dx, sir. 2x into dx అవుతుంది సార్ మనకి 2x into dx. For example, here that dz by dy integrating on both sides. It is 2x into dx by dy. So here that substitution here there, it can be written as dz by dy plus 2 by y. It is 2x, it is nothing but 2 by y into z is equal to minus 4y. It is in the form of linear form, sir. What is the form, sir, here there? dz by dy plus p of y into z is equal to q of y form, sir. It is the linear form. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integration p dy e to the power of integration 2 into 1 by y dy. It is nothing but e to the power of 2 into log y. It is e to the power of log y square. It is nothing but y square is the integrating factor. What is the general solution? Z into integrating factor. It is equal to integration q into integrating factor. Independent variable is the y dy plus c2. So finally it is z into y square is equal to integration minus 4y into it is y square plus c2. It is nothing but minus y 4 into y cube into dy plus c2. It is nothing but minus 4 into y power 4 by 4 plus c2. 4 here cancel. Here z into y square. So z into y square plus y power 4 is equal to c2, which is required the second solution. Z into y square plus c2. Where is that? Z into y square plus y power 4. Option B is the right answer. Very good, sir. Very good. Very simple. Very easy questions, sir. Very simple and very easy. Previous examination questions, sir. These are the previous examination questions. In the previous examination, these are the homework, sir. Homework question in the previous examination. Some questions. For example, homework questions. Homework 1. X into z square minus x square into p plus y into x square minus z square into q is equal to z into x square minus y square minus x square, sir. It is pp+qq form, sir. It is nothing but dx by x into z square minus x square. It is a dy by y into x square minus z square. It is a dz by z into x y square minus x square, sir. We can observe that 1 by x and 1 by y and 1 by z are the multipliers. First multiplier. Second multipliers x, y, z, sir. X, y, z are multipliers. Therefore, finally right answer is pi of x square plus y square plus z square comma x, y, z is equal to 0. This is the final answer, sir. It is the final answer. It is the homework. Second homework question, sir. In the previous examination, second homework question. What is the second homework? Second homework is the important y minus z into p plus x minus y into q is equal to z minus x, sir. Previous examination question. It is the dx by y minus z and dy by x minus y and dz by z minus x, sir. Here that we can observe that, sir. For example, here the what is the miss, sir, in the denominator? This is the x is the missing. So x is the one of the multiplier. So here is the z is the missing. Z is the one of the multiplier. Here y is the missing. So y is the one of the multiplier. Or multipliers. అనుకుంటే మనకేమైతే సార్ x into dx plus z into dy plus y into dz is equal to 0. So it is x dx plus d of yz is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, x square by 2 plus yz is equal to c1, which is the required the first solution. Sir. Another, we can observe the another, sir. It is y minus z plus y minus y. Denominator observe, sir. Plus y cancel, minus y cancel. Plus z cancel, minus z cancel. Plus x cancel, minus x cancel. 1, 1, 1 are multipliers. Another multipliers, 1, 1 are multipliers. It is nothing but dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. So final integration x plus y plus z is equal to c2. Final solution is phi of x plus y plus z comma x square by 2 plus yz is equal to 0, which is required the solution. This is also homework question. This is also homework question in the previous examination question, sir. This is also homework question. Another homework question. Another homework, sir. What is the homework question? Question number is 3, sir. It is solve x square into y minus z into p plus y square into z minus x into q. It is z square into x minus y, sir. It is in the form of dx into x square into y minus z. It is dy by y square into z minus x. It is dz by z square into x minus y, sir. Here that, sir, observation. Outside is the homogeneous x square ఉంది, sir. Y square ఉంది, z square ఉంది. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి, సార్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే డిగ్రీ ఎంత ఉంది, సార్? ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది. దీన్ని కూడా 1 చేయాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, సార్? 1/x తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలన్న. ఏం చేయాలి, సార్? 1/x తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. సో 1/x తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, సార్. మీరు 1/x తోనే మల్టిప్లై. సో 1/x తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ దాన్ని 1/y తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, సార్. y అయిపోతుంది. 1/z తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, సార్. y అయిపోతుంది. అన్ని యాడ్ చేయండి. సో ఆర్ మల్టిప్లైయర్స్ అవుతాయి, 0 అవుతుంది. అంటే 1/x dx ప్లస్ 1/y dy ప్లస్ 1/z dz is equal to 0 అవుతుంది, సార్. మనకి 0 అవుతుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ x y z is equal to c1, which is the required one solution. Another form, sir. Another observation, sir. For example, here that on x square into y minus z అని ఉంది కదా, సార్. y square into అలా ఉంది కదా. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే మీరు అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి, సార్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా ఈ 1/x స్క్వేర్ ని న్యూమరేటర్ తీసుకోండి. 1/x స్క్వేర్ 1/y స్క్వేర్ 1/z స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ద మల్టిప్లైయర్స్ అనుకోండి. అన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేయండి మీరు, మళ్ళీ 0 వస్తుంది. ఆర్ మల్టిప్లైయర్స్ అనుకుంటే మీకు ఏమవుతుంది? ఇట్ ఈస్ 1/x స్క్వేర్ dx ప్లస్ 1/y స్క్వేర్ dy ప్లస్ 1/z స్క్వేర్ dz is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, 1/x plus 1/y plus 1/z is equal to c2, which is required the second solution, sir. So finally it is the right answer. Finally right answer, x y z is equal to phi of 1/x plus 1/y plus 1/z. It is the required the solution. Is it clear, sir? Multipliers methods are the clear, sir. Last and 2 questions, sir. Please, sir. Please wait for the 5 minutes, sir. Last and 3 questions, sir. Simple questions. Solution of JLDL examination, sir. Solution of ZP is equal to minus x is, sir. Option A, x square plus z square is equal to phi of y, sir. Option B, sir. It is x square plus y square is equal to phi of y, sir. Option C, sir. X plus z is equal to phi of y, sir. Option D, sir. X minus z is equal to phi of y, sir. Where phi is the arbitrary function. JL, DL, PG entrance previous examination question, sir. What is the question, sir, here there? What is the question? XP, ZP plus 0 into Q is equal to minus X. It is nothing but dx by Z. It is the dy by 0 and dz by minus X. We can take the first and two last fractions, sir. It is nothing but x dx plus z dy is equal to 0. So it is nothing but x square plus z square equal to C1, one of the solution. We can take the second fraction and third fraction are both are equal. It is nothing but dy is equal to 0, y is equal to C2. It is the second solution, integrating on both sides. So it is nothing but phi of y comma x square plus z square is equal to 0, one of the solution, or x square plus z square is equal to phi of y is the solution. Where is the solution, sir? X square plus z square is equal to phi of y. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Another question, sir. In the previous examination, another question, very simple and very easy question, sir. Lagrange's, మీరే చెప్పాలి సార్ ఆన్సర్. Lagrange's auxiliary equation. This question is from CPGET, sir. Equation for y square into p minus xy into q is equal to x into z minus 2y, sir. Z minus 2y. Option A. Dx by y square is equal to dy by xy is equal to dz by x into z minus 2y, sir. Option B. It is the dx by y square is equal to dy by minus xy is equal to dz by x into z minus 2y, sir. Option C, sir. Dx by y square is equal to dy by xy is equal to dz by x into z plus 2y, sir. Option D, none. Very good. Very good. What is the option, sir? Lagrange's auxiliary equation ఏమైతే sir? Very good. Option B is the right answer. Very good. ఇంతే sir. Simple questions, sir. In the previous examination, very simple questions given, sir. In the previous examination, examiner asked in the JL, DL, PG entrance examination, sir. What is the question? Hear that, sir. Observe that, sir. Very simple question. Solution and logical question. A partial differential equation. It is the p plus 3q is equal 5z plus tan of y minus 3x is an answer. Option A. 5x minus logarithm of 5z plus tan of y minus 3x is equal to phi of y minus 3x. Option B, sir. 5x minus logarithm of this is the last question, sir. This is the last question. 5z minus tan of y minus 3x is equal to phi of y minus 3x. And option C, sir. 5x plus logarithm 5z minus tan of y minus 3x is equal to phi of y minus 3x, sir. Option D. 5x minus logarithm 5z minus tan of y minus 3x is equal to here that, sir, is equal to phi of y minus 3x. So these are the four options, sir. These are the four options. What is the given question, sir? What is the given question? Given question is very simple. P plus 3q is equal to 5z plus tan of y minus 3x, sir, which is in the form of pp plus qq is equal to r form, sir. Lagrange's auxiliary equation dx by p, dy by q, dz by capital R, sir. So it can be written as dx by 1, it is dy by 3, it is dz by 5z plus tan of y minus 3x, sir. Y minus 3x. We can take the first two fractions. We can take the first two fractions are the equal. It is the dx is equal to 1 by 3 into dy. We can take the another two fractions are the equal. Ante dx is equal dz by 5z plus tan of y minus 3x. For example, it is the 3 into dx is equal to dy. Integrating on both sides, integration 3 dx minus integration dy is equal to, it is the c. So finally it is the 3x minus y is equal to c. Y minus 3x is equal to c1. We can utilize this solution is the equation star. Equation star utilized in the second fraction. It is dz by 5z plus tan c, sir. Tan c1. Tan c1. Integrating on both sides, sir. Integration dz is equal integration 1 upon 5z plus tan c1. C1 is the arbitrary constant. We know that very well. Denominator is the derivative. Integration f dash of z by f of z dz. What is the formula, sir? It is logarithm f of z. So denominator derivative చేసి న్యూమరేటర్ రావాలి. అంటే న్యూమరేటర్ లో 5 రావాలి. అంటే 5 తోనే మల్టిప్లైడ్ అండ్ డివైడ్, సార్. 5 by 5z plus tan c value 0, sir. Differentiation, because it is the derivative of 5z plus tan c1 is equal to 5, sir, with respect to z kabatti. So it is finally it is 1 by 5 logarithm of 5z plus tan c1. It is the z. It is the z. It is the z. It is the plus c2. Here finally we got, it is nothing but 5z minus here that, sir. For example, z is equal, it is the dx, sir. It is the dx. So it is nothing but x is equal. It is nothing but 5x minus logarithm of 5z plus tan c1 is equal to c2. Is equal to c2. What is the c1, sir? Substitution here there, c1 5x minus logarithm of 5z plus tan of y minus 3x is equal to c2, which is required solution. What is the 5x minus where, sir? 5x minus logarithm of, ekkada, sir, option, where is the option, sir? Option A is the right answer. Any doubts, sir, in this session?